Why do I leak urine when I laugh or cough? This is called stress urinary incontinence. It is usually caused by pelvic relaxation, which means due to certain factors such as aging, childbirth, menopause, or increased intra-abdominal pressure caused by chronic constipation, chronic coughing, etc., there may be a change in the urethral angle. It may be disturbed, and so that the patient may, in various levels, leak urine during activities such as coughing, sneezing, jumping, or laughing. And this can be treated by surgical or non-surgical methods depending on the severity of the condition.